We're in the Cotai Strip, and there's a lot of people walking around. We're at Studio City right now. I just saw they have these new billboards too, and we're gonna walk directly down this way, and then we're gonna go down the Cotai Strip a little ways and kind of give you an idea what it looks like. We got Parisian over this way, and then there's people walking around way down there by the Galaxy as well, and all these billboards. This is all new as well, and I haven't really been walking around here in a while, so we're actually gonna try to capture. There's the Parisian right there. So we're gonna capture it. I'm just gonna walk directly down here from the Studio City and show you what it looks like at nighttime on a Saturday night. It's about 10:30 at night. So stay tuned for that. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so there's a billboard right there, 12/23. There's a lot of stuff happening. There's Bruno Mars is coming, I guess, on December 9. This one says something Mongha. Missed it. And we got Studio City right here. And then you have the big thing up that way. There's Joyride. So that's the Studio City Casino. And then we're basically on the Cotai Strip right now. But yeah, there's a lot of people walking up and down this way towards Galaxy. So I don't know if there's some event in Galaxy or what it is. So we are going to walk directly towards Studio City. Just try to capture it. I think we're going to get a lot of people everywhere today. It's kind of interesting because during COVID, this casino in particular was usually kind of empty. So suddenly there's a lot of people around in this area. So a lot to see everywhere in here. There's Studio City right there. Okay. So what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna walk down like this. I'm just gonna walk directly down the Cotai Strip. And I can see exactly the way we're gonna go. So Londoners on one side and Parisians on the other. And then MGM is down this way, and then the Grand Lisboa is way in the distance down there. So we'll see what it looks like on a Saturday night. I guess that light's gonna take a while. I think it's gonna go. So we're on the Cotai Strip. There we go. So now we can finally walk across. So we'll just go right into the people. And it looks like we have another red light that we have to wait for. Okay. Lots of traffic. I think that's going to turn quick. Let's just kind of walk back this way a little bit. So there we go. So that's Studio City right there. And then way over there you can see islands. Those are hospitals. Those are new hospitals. Those three. And then you can see all the billboards that go all the way down. So that's actually new, all those little dripping blue lights. That's a new addition to Studio City that wasn't there before. Yeah, it's like so many people tonight. And I think I got a camera setting that's better at nighttime now too. Before I couldn't really capture it very well on a Saturday night. So the Parisian, there's a lot of activity these days. During COVID there was pretty much no activity. Let me just kind of see here. That's Parisian. There's so much activity. There's a lot of people going across this road right now, so they are probably going over to the Londoner. Huh, did you see they're kind of navigating this way? There's a bus that goes from the type of ferry. So the ferries are running all the time now. Not all the time, they only run in the daytime, and then they stop at about midnight. Before they would run 24 hours. Okay, so we're gonna walk down a little ways until it looks like it's not so interesting to walk down anymore. Go see when that happens. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure if the lighting is that good or not, really. I kind of feel like the lighting will be better another time of the evening. Twilight. So that will affect the video, so I'm gonna turn it off for now. I think that's Bruno Mars, but that'll affect my video, so okay. So I think we're gonna, I think the music will definitely affect my video, but this is okay. So we're moving down the strip a little bit, and now we're kind of getting near Venetian, and we're near something called the shops. So we're gonna move a little bit further, and then we're gonna go over that overpass going towards Londoner, and then we're gonna jump out on the other side and walk back down the other way. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, actually these rooms are very, very expensive. I can't remember how much they are per night, but it was something kind of insane. I think I heard that some of the highest ones are like 10,000 American dollars a night, and it's mostly like celebrities and such. I think they're up in here, if I remember right. Maybe somebody can let me know if I'm wrong, but I heard something like that from somebody who worked there. It's a nice little gate right there. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight into the kind of mess of people. We're gonna go up and over through this way. So this right here is called the shops, Four Seasons shops. In the past, they had some giant statues that look like they're gone now. Used to be some statues of, I think there's like Vasco da Gama and some other, I think they might have replaced them. I don't see them now. But that's basically where we just were walking from. And we're gonna go up this way. Morpheus in the distance. Big Ben, Londoner. Okay, so now we got a real good view. This is the Londoner right there. Got the Big Ben, Morpheus, City of Dreams. And then way down there it's apartment buildings, Grand Type, no, it's forget the name, but it's apartments down that way. Then the Venetian over here. So let's just head back on in. And then this overwalk, we basically have both sides. It's pretty busy here on a Saturday. It's like Saturday about 10:30, 11 o'clock, something like that. You go this way. I was gonna take that outdoor escalator, but me see, it might be a music issue, so I'm gonna okay, we're heading directly towards the Londoner. And there's even a little subway right here, so we'll just walk through that as well and go all the way down. So kind of interesting. And I think we have some more outdoor places as well, so we might head out that way as well and just kind of see what we can see. Let's check it all out. There we go. So now we have the other side. So we have the Venetian side here, Parisian from this view. Studio City, that's where we started at, and we'll go down that way. And then we have the whole Londoner as well. Pretty nice. There we go. Looks nice. Okay, so let's head on in. Okay. So we're coming into the Londoner. Beatles, Abbey Road. But the music is going to affect the video, so... Okay, so there's a lot of beautiful scenery right here, but I'm also going to be a little bit conscious about the music, which is too bad because this is a nice Londoner bus. Okay. Okay, so we're going down we're inside the Londoner now, so that was the second story from the there's a little skyway that connects 3 casinos, Parisian, and now that we're in the Londoner, we're gonna go outside. So we're basically just gonna go straight down, give you a little idea of what the Londoner looks like inside as well. I definitely have some past videos you can see what it looks like more if you click on that and take a look. I'm just going to go directly down, or out, I mean. So this particular one, sometimes I focus on different casinos, but this one we're just going to go directly outside and show you what it looks like going down towards Studio City again. And I'm also just trying to capture the crowds of people. So now we're outside. Oh, the music, it's going to affect the video. Dang it. Okay. So let me just see here. So stay tuned. Yeah, we got some really nice images. I'm gonna have to do something differently to protect myself from the music. So maybe in the future, I'll have to do a different kind of style video. They got a movie set light right there, so there's somebody who's gonna come out and they're gonna do some photography right there. But that music is gonna affect my video, so I'm not gonna stick around. And we're just gonna keep on walking down and okay. So the music I think is gonna slow down and stop, and I can film briefly before the next song comes on. Come on, music, stop. Oh no, now I got Christmas music over on that side. Can't escape it. Anyways. Okay, so there's the Parisian and Studio City, and got Christmas music in the background, so I'm speaking over it as best I can. We're gonna end it over there by Studio City. Okay, so that's the Parisian, and that's the Londoner. That's the MGM down that way. And there's a nice little lot. It's dark, so you can't really see it, but sometimes they'll have events there as well. All right. So basically you just saw a small strip of the Cotai strip. The reference of the strip isn't like a one piece of road like this, although this is probably could be considered the main strip. But the Cotai Strip basically goes all the way down there to that waterfront. So there's another casino way down there called Galaxy. It also goes all the way down that way to MGM. That Half Moon way down there as well, and to Lisboa. And it goes all the way down to a landfill that's all the way down as well. So those are all part of the Cotai Strip. Looks like we got our chance to go across now, so let's take that across. So this is basically just one little sliver. Let's see if we can go all the way down. Okay. So it looks like we got another red light, so. And Studio City's over there. So it says Cotai Avenue. We're just gonna walk right into Studio City. And on another day I would walk into Studio City, show you what it looks like inside. But I have done that many times. You can take a look in the history and you can see it. So this particular one was just kind of a stroll, about 11 o'clock at night now, maybe a little after. And it's just basically to show you what it looks like when you're walking around outside on the major Cotai Strip at this particular time of night. This street will be a little bit more quiet, but it'll be probably busier in the future because they're building up quite a bit. Because down there is Galaxy and they have like a theater, cinema down there. So it's but anyways, we went down the major street and then they also go down these side streets. So the Cotai Strip is more like a series of blocks, big giant casino blocks. And that's Parisian. So okay. Hope you like that one. I'm gonna end it here. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.